Hi everyone, welcome to PSLE Math 2019 Paper 2 question series, and in this video I'll be going through question 1. So I understand that this paper, the 2019 Paper 2, has been the hardest paper of all the PSLE Math Paper 2 so far. So I'll try my best to break down the questions and make it easy for you guys to understand. So let's take a look at question 1. So this is question 1, and this question is testing us on factors and multiples. So let's read the question first. Write down the first common multiple of 4 and 10. All the common factors of 18 and 81. So let's look at part A first. The first common multiple of 4 and 10. So what is a multiple? A multiple is a answer when we multiply any number by the main multiplier. So let's say the number is 4. So what is the first multiple of 4? 4 times 1 is 4. So 4 is the first multiple. Then we keep going, we got 4, 8, 12. If you keep times by 2, 3, 4 onwards. So it keeps going on. Same thing for 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. If you keep timesing it by 1, 2, 3 onwards, it always is a multiple. So now let's look at the next keyword, common multiple. What does the word common mean? Common means a multiple that is present in both the multiple lists. So let's list out multiples. So multiples of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, because each number, so let's say 4 is 4 times 1, then 8 is times 2, then 12 is times 3, then times 4, times 5, times 6, and then it keeps going on. Now let's look at multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It keeps on going. So times 1, then we have times 2, then we have times 3, times 4, times 5, and keeps going on. So these are multiples. And they ask for the first common multiple. So we need to look for the first number that is present in both the lists. Can you tell me which one is it? If you said 20, you are correct. 20 is the first number that is present in both lists, means that it is the first common multiple. So this is our answer for part A. Write that down, 20. Now let's look at part B. Write down all the common factors of 18 and 81. So we already know what common means from the previous question. What does factors mean? Factors are numbers when you multiply, you get a bigger number. So let's take an example as 12. Okay, 12. So 12, what are the factors of 12? So how are you going to find it? One way you can do it is you can just try to list it down. So we have 1, 2, then you just think 3, 4, no 5, 6, and that's it. Another way, the way that I recommend, which is easier for you, you write 12, you draw a line. You put a times in the middle. So you know the times, just take it as a straight line. So we have 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. So we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 is our answer. So same thing you would get if you listed it out like this. But I prefer to do it like this. So Let's do it for 18 and 81, shall we? So, let me underline all of this again. Yeah. So we have factors of 18 and 81. So I already drew the line for it. Now let's begin. So let's do 18 first. So what do? We do put a times, put a times, put a times. Just put 3 first. So 18, we have 1 times 18, correct? Yes. Next, we have 2 times 9. Next, we have 3 times 6. Is there anything else? 4 times something, 5 times something? No. Means that is all the factors. Now let's look at 81. So 81 might be kind of tricky because it's a bigger number, but you need to know the factors. Same thing, we do 3. So we have 1 times 81. No, 2. It's 3 times 27, if I'm not wrong. 27. Yeah, 3 times 27. Then what other factors are there? Can you tell me? After 3, there's no 4, there's no 5. Is there a 6? No, because 81 divided by 6, you will get 13.5, which we don't want. So, the factors of 81 in the end, we have 1, 3, 9, 27, and 81. Okay, so let me write that down. So, slide 3, and then 9 times 9. So because 9 appears in both sides, you just need to take 1 9. So how will you write it? 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. Okay? So now we need to find the common ones. So what are the common ones? We have 1, we have 3, we have 9, and that's it. So common factors of 18 and 81 is 1, 3, and 9. So this is your answer for this question. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you.